Inverter. It's its own generator. 25 pieces. Wait. And this is my bubbler. This is my bridge rectifier. 75 amps each, two pieces of them. This is my homemade transformer, approximately 150 amperes. And this is my homemade plasma resistor. And also this is my homemade torch. This is my capacitor, and I want to show everyone how much this generator can produce per minute. Just for a while.